Hello everyone, we're here at the Country Inn & Suites by Radisson in East Wichita, Kansas, and we're going to take a full hotel room tour of a standard room with one king-size bed. We're here outside room 109. They have RFID key cards for the doors, so let's go in. And immediately as you walk in, to the right is a light switch with very little clearance by the door. And then you just have your standard door safety features. You have a latch and then a deadbolt. Here's a map of the property, and actually this is just a map of the north wing. This hotel is separated into two wings that are connected only at the lobby. This hotel used to be a former Fairfield Inn. And over here on the left is the Vanity sink area. There's a light switch and power outlet to the right. And here's a closer look at the sink. This property went through a substantial remodel in 2019, which is when it switched brands. And as you can see, the sink fixtures work well. They just have some scratches on them. And then over here you have a bamboo soap dish and a box of tissues. And on the left you have your set of toiletries. You get shampoo, conditioner, and body lotion. Above the mirror is a light, and then you get a towel bar on the left and some storage down below. And then on the other side is the closet. You have an ironing board, a luggage rack, 8 regular coat hangers, and some more storage up top. And then over here's the bathroom. The light switch is outside the door, and both the light and fan are linked. Here's how the fan sounds. And stepping into the bathroom, it's quite compact. You can see there's a toilet, and then over here behind the door is the shower and tub. They did replace the shower and tub, but it wasn't a good replacement. The tub is pretty deep and has a substantial slope, so it's kind of easy to slip. And you can see the soap dish is not positioned in the right place for the shower. The shower head sprays water right on it. There's a look at the shower fixtures. They look okay. Shower head is reasonably adjustable. And here's a test of the shower. The shower works okay, and then another thing to note is that you don't get many places to hang your towels. You just get this one hook right here, or a dual hook behind the door. You don't get any other place to hang your towels. Now stepping outside and coming back to the main part of the room, here's an overview. You can see the furniture looks pretty modern. It was replaced in 2019. There's the king-size bed, and over here on the walls, the thermostat. It controls the window-mounted P-TAC unit. The only thing is that the thermostat's pretty loose. It seems to be only held in by the wire. You can see here it rotates freely, so that's a little bit concerning. And then coming over here to the nightstand, you have a clock, although it doesn't have a backlight. The clock has 2 charging USB ports, and you also get another USB port and 2 power outlets built into the headboard. Here's a look at the nightstand. You get a lamp and open shelves, no drawers here. And then coming over to the entertainment console, again, no drawers, just open shelves. And I have the TV on because there's a section of dead pixels here. You can see that area of the TV got some damage and the pixels are dead. And they get HD cable and internet here from Cox Cable. Other than that damage on the TV, it works pretty good. And there's a set-top box and modem behind the TV. And behind this cabinet's the microwave is just a basic Danby, and the ice bucket's usually there too. And behind the other cabinet's a small mini fridge without a freezer compartment. It's also a Danby. And then on the left side of the desk is a Keurig single cup coffee maker. You also get coffee cups and a selection of Keurig coffee pods. And in the middle of the desk you have another built-in outlet just like in the headboard, 2 power outlets and 1 USB port. And then over here's the desk lamp. It's not that adjustable, it just swivels. It does not tilt up and down. You also get a mesh office chair. And then over here's the window P-TAC unit. It's a GE, works okay. But the window itself is not in good condition. This is probably the worst part of the room. As you can see here, the window track and trim is not in good condition. It has some damage. And the only window lock is this aluminum bar. So as you can see, the window's overall in not good condition. And on the left side, the window actually doesn't close all the way. You can see here there's a sizable gap. So yeah, they should have replaced all the windows at this hotel when they remodeled it back in 2019. Anyways, here's a look out the window. The pool's closed for the season, but they have a barbecue and a lounge area outside. And on the left is a maintenance area. Inside the room next to the window, you have a floor lamp, a chair, and the other nightstand, which is where the hotel phone is. There's a look at the hotel phone. It's a newer model. Overall, the room was just okay, but the window and other maintenance issues were pretty significant. Other than that, the hotel is pretty modern and a good value at $101 a night. So that's going to be it for this full hotel room tour at the Country Inn & Suites by Radisson in East Wichita, Kansas. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to check out other travel videos on my channel and get subscribed so you don't miss any new videos.